Let's build a new selectable dummy load.
I built this old dummy load about 15 years ago. It's just 8 ohms and can handle about 25 watts. That's how I made it. And you could use jumpers to jump it around to make it 4 ohms or 16 ohms. But I wanted to build one that was switchable from 4 to 8 to 16 and can handle more watts. This one can handle 100 watts at 8 ohms, but at 16 and 4 ohms, it'll handle 200 watts. And I've got one for each side if I want to measure a stereo amp.
If you'd like to build one of these too, I got all the parts off of Amazon and I have links in the description. I spent about an hour with AI trying to design the switch to make it work, and it come up with all kind of crazy designs, wires going everywhere. It was just a mess. Finally, I took the 4-pole 3-position switch and labeled each contact. You have a common, and then 1, 2, and 3, and I used the arrow to point the direction the switch goes. Also, I labeled both sides that way, and then I finally designed a little simple switch circuit to switch those in and out. Here's a better drawing of the circuit. In the first position, the two 8-ohm resistors are in parallel, which gives us 4 ohms of resistance. In position 2, only the 8-ohm resistor that's connected to the common output is switched in, which gives us 8 ohms of resistance. And finally, in position 3, the resistors are in series, and it gives us 16 ohms. Now I'll just leave it up for a second if you want to take a screenshot so you can build one yourself. Again, all the parts were sourced from Amazon, and I have links in the description below if you would like to build this yourself. Here's a front panel layout, and the switch even comes with a chicken head knob. I just drilled holes in the bottom of the metal enclosure and mounted the 8-ohm resistors to it. These are 100-watt resistors apiece. We'll be using this box in future videos to check the power output of tube amps and to check the impedance of transformers. So stick around and subscribe. Thank you for watching.